Hello friends, welcome to PCMB tutorial. This is your problem solution session of physics of the tropic motion. I will discuss the problems which I had given you in the last video. If you have not watched that video till now, so please watch that video at first. I will give the link in the description of this video. So before watching this video, please watch that video. So let's move to the first problem. Let me read out the first problem for you. A car is moving with a speed of 20 meters per second. Two people A and B are sitting inside the car. An observer O is standing in the roadside. According to O, what is the speed of A? And according to B, what is the speed of A? To solve these types of problems, you have to notice at first where is the observer situated. Then you have to judge his reference point and find the speed of the person who was in the observe of the observer. So it is given that the speed of the car is 20 meters per second. So the speed of the man A and man B is also 20 meters per second as they are situated inside the car. So as the observer is in the ground, he will observe that A is moving with speed 20 meters per second as he is taking the ground as the frame of reference. Moving to the second case, as A and B both are in the car, B will observe that A is sitting still. He is not moving because he is taking the car as the frame of reference. Next, we are moving to problem number 2. So here is the problem. A man is riding a bicycle. A car with velocity 15 meters per second overtakes the cycle. What is the relative velocity of the car to the man with cycle? It is given that the velocity of the bicycle is 5 meters per second. So here the speed of the bicycle is the speed of the observer and the speed of the car is the speed of the object. We know that relative velocity of the object to the observer is equals to the velocity of the object minus the velocity of the observer. So the velocity of the car to the man is equals to the velocity of the car minus the velocity of the bicycle is equals to 15 minus 5, that is 10 meters per second. So let's move to the third problem. Two cars A and B are moving in same direction. Car A travels 100 meters in 5 seconds and car B travels 80 meters in 10 seconds. What is the relative velocity of B to A? To solve these types of problems, we at first have to calculate the velocity of both cars. So the velocity of car A is equals to 100 by 5 is equal to 20 meters per second and the velocity of car B is equal to 80 by 10 is equal to 8 meters per second. So the relative velocity of B to A is equals to the velocity of B minus of the velocity of A is equal to 8 minus 20 meters per second, which is minus 12 meters per second. Here the negative sign indicates the opposite direction. Hope you are clear with the problems. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.